Welcome back everyone to another episode of Cruising with Carla. Today we're here in the final event of this Northwest Deuce Days 2025 in beautiful Victoria, British Columbia, Canada. In the background you'll see the Parliament buildings and just thousands of cars, which we will be checking out here shortly. So let's go for a little walk and see what we find. Come on, join me.
What do you got there, Carla?
Oh, look at this. Oh, this is cool. Look at that six-pack there. Wow, nice wheel. Good touch on this one. I like it. Get the steering wheel there. Get the steering wheel. Come on. That's what I want to put on my convertible. I think that's a cool addition. Ooh, another little hot rod. Oh, and this one belongs to Zach Wilson. He's another fellow YouTuber, and he built this hot rod. So I think it's got a 283 unless he swapped. Yeah, I think it's still got that 283. He was gonna swap out for a 350. He did a great job. Looks awesome.
Tappan Valley Speed Shop.
Tappan Valley Speed Shop. Whew, I'm getting lost here amongst the people. Wow.
To play Where's Carla?
Yeah, hey, where's Carla? Where's Waldo? Check that out. Flathead. 2 single barrel carbs.
Real hot rod.
Real hot rod, that's right. Oh, look at that beautiful color on this. Love that small engine there. Wow, look at this beauty. She is mint. Wow, just like a glass top. Beautiful, beautiful hot rod.
All right, let's start walking back.
All right. Let's get to that other side of the street here. I like that color. Can you picture me driving this or what? Look at that color. This is gorgeous. Ah, and that's 4 single barrels. Beautiful ride. And here I am again. You might lose me on the way. Cool. Something a little different. Look at that, even the fold-out chairs in the back seat there. It's got plenty of room. Oh, somebody parked in the bicycle lane. Wow. Wow, that color is stunning. She's got a nice little metallic in there. Beautiful interior. That tan leather interior. This is gorgeous. Beautiful paint. Out of Starwood, Washington. Jeez. Oh, you gotta come see the engine compartment here. Look at that. That is beautiful, all combed out. Beautiful paint. What do you think, Graham?
Very nice.
You like it? I like that nice little touch too, with that pinstriping line through there, and even with the door handles.
All right, Carla, we got 1,200 more to go.
1,200 more to go. Oh, I'm gonna be exhausted by the end of the day. Good thing I got my handy dandy coffee here. Okay, where are we to next? There's so many cars, I don't know where to go. Ooh, that's a nice color. Something a little different. Cadillac.
Carla.
Another flathead.
Get in front of the camera for the people here.
Oh, sorry. Am I going too fast, Graham? Hold on. Can you spot me? You gotta have fun here at Deuce Days, right? Let's check out this other baby. Ooh, hey, there's one for sale over there. Can we buy that one, Graham? Jeez, look at this. That's cool. Very nice. Let's check out the one for sale. There you go, folks. 65 grand, this could be yours. That's beauty.
Canadian too.
Canadian, there you go. So it's cheap, totally cheap. What is that, like 30,000 US? Our dollar ain't that good right now, is it? Ah, look at the wire wheels. Nicely done. Oh, look at this coupe. Look at this beautiful 32. Wow. Gosh, that's nice. Look at all that chromed out engine bay area. Woo, groovy. God, this is stunning. Look at this other beautiful color. Oh, check that out, Graham. check out this center console here, just like on the SUVs, the modern SUVs. Can you see up top? Yeah. All right, my God, can we last the whole day? This is a hell of a lot of walking. Nice flat head in there, 2 single barrels. Beautiful engine. What is that, like a 28 or something? 26, close. Okay. 27 Ford. Named Hooker. Okay, let's keep going, Graham. Graham, you're so slow. You gotta keep up with me, man. We got lots of cars to see. Ooh, Studebaker. Whoa, 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 what's this? Pontiac, what is this? Oh, Oldsmobile. Nice.
Henry J.
Henry J. Yeah, really unique front grills. Okay, let's get down to the masses. That was just a tiny little street. This is exciting. Wow. Holy. It might be easier to go around the other side. Wow. Whew. Whew. That took my breath away. This is stunning. Wow. Oh my God, okay, my jaw's dropped. This is the cream of the crop. Holy, Delta BC, 32 Ford Roadster. Oh, that is gorgeous. Another Roadster. Look at that. Oh yeah. Man, I love the flames on these vehicles. They just look so cool. Look at this blower. This little, it looks super cool outside of the hood there. I don't know, may have to do something on that Bel Air convertible.
Yeah.
Wow. Nice Buick. We'll do one side and then we'll walk around the other side. Look at the color of that.
That's amazing.
Cool, that is an amazing paint job. Very cool. Go bad to the bone. That's what that says, folks. Oh, that's another stunning color. Beautiful, beautiful. Now, of course, we've seen this one before. Really cool design. Lady Luck. She's pretty. I mean, it's just endless. What a perfect day too. The weather turned out. It is just stunning. I don't know if we can do a quick pan around, but it's just packed. Yeah, lift that up. It's just packed out here. See the Empress there, right there. And this is just the beginning. It's still really early before we get the masses coming down here. Yeah, obviously a little harder to get to all the cars. I wonder if we should be on the other side. Maybe another Henry J. Really unique front ends. I mean, always hot rodding seems to be the thing to do with those. Check out all the chrome on this one, Graham. Singer, wow. There's a little Singer Le Mans, wow. Super unique and different. Right-hand side drive too. I'd probably end up on the wrong side of the road. Clark Foley. Prince George. That's a cool looking one. Ah, it looks like a GM. Look at that, General Motors of Canada. Good old Canadian car. Look at all that chrome and that gold plating. Wow. Model K. What the? This is something different. Wow.
Very strange.
Oh my gosh, yeah. I guess if the wife is in the doghouse, she goes in the back. That's what I think. Holy. And a little lamp too. Wow. What a different build. Very cool. Very cool. Ah, yes. The gas. Oh, we've seen this one before. Oh, whoa. Oh, the Cadillac. Is this the one that we saw one of the other shows, Graham? Yeah, yeah. Ooh, ooh. Doggies. 37. Whew. Cool. Suicide. Oh, no. I thought maybe it had suicide doors, but no, not quite. That's a cool paint color, that gray. My gosh, there's still more cars. Oh, pretty. And for sale. Wow, there you go, another little truck that's for sale. Okay, I guess this is the end of the road. We're going back down. I don't know if... Oh yeah, check that custom. Whew. Oh, I love this color. It's interesting because it doesn't have like... It looks almost flat, but it's got... Yeah, it's interesting paint. It's like a really deep color, but it has no clear on it. Ooh, another. That's really different. Totally. Check that out. Like totally different back. Yeah. Let a wagon. Hey, Graham, didn't you say you want a wagon? Ooh, a caddy.
I know now.
Wow. The cool thing is that a lot of these coupes actually have some really comfortable seats, like upgraded seats from, you know, modern vehicles. Take that air breather on there. Dual side air breather. Oh, wow. What is this? 1931 Model A Roadster. Oh, what a beautiful car. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Gorgeous car, sir. Wow.
It's all original.
Is it? My gosh, how long have you had it? Okay. Where did it come from? Okay. Oh, wow, yeah. Oh, down here in Victoria, in Sydney, actually.
I lived, yeah.
Yeah.
Here for a while. I'm going to university.
Yeah. So you know where the cars are, hey? You know where to find them. It's excellent. Have a good day, sir. Ooh, I like that silver. Very nice. Okay, it's starting to open up a little bit more. That's a cool orange right there with the golden stripes. Really neat color combinations. I mean, to me, the paint job is everything. It really makes a car just unique and stand out. And I find a lot of times it draws people into the cars. Sometimes maybe the body types aren't, you know, that amazing, but the colors themselves, it draws people as is. Like, look at that. It just looks so sleek. Ah, very, very classy. See, another great color. It's got some, obviously some metallic in there. It's just cool how it just changes in the light. Looks really neat. Another great color. Great car. Oops, sorry. Yeah. Where's Carla? I'm still here, guys. Check this sled out. Man, oh man. Look at that interior. Oh, it looks comfy. It looks sleek. And a beautiful paint job to top it. Let's see what it's got under the hood. Oh yeah, small block in there. Looks like it's got some sort of a Cadillac air breather. It's hard to see down there. Pretty. Traffic jam. I don't know, Graham, can you lift the camera up and show like the hundreds and thousands of people that are down there? My gosh. Oh, look at that. That looks like race ready. Oh, look at that slant. That is cool. I love that slant on there. LS1. Sweet engine, sweet colors, sweet design. And of course, we've seen this truck at the, what was it, Fords and Friends. It actually won there, and it was one of the trucks that I worked on a few years back, so really neat. I saw that, yeah.
Thanks for joining us on Cruising with Carla. If you made it this far, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Stay tuned for more of Cruising with
Carla.
Carla, she's the smart one.